Hi, my name is Bruce Mann. I'm a senior scientist at the Oceanographic Research Institute at Ushaka Marine World in Durban. I've been there since 1992, so nearly over 30 years now, and I've been working on fish and sharks of numerous species for many years. My involvement and my sort of daily activities involve some really exciting work in the field. We do quite a bit of scuba diving, we do a lot of fishing and tagging of sharks. Recently we've been doing a lot of work on acoustic telemetry, so looking at shark movements using acoustic tags, and also rolling over the acoustic receivers that are used to detect the movements of these sharks. So really exciting stuff. And then obviously a lot of work in the office at the computer, doing analysis of data and writing up the results as scientific papers and reports, etc. I think my favorite shark species is probably the giant sand shark, which we've been working on since about 2014, looking at its movement, behavior and the fishery. So it's got a real soft spot in my heart, and they certainly are very exciting fish to catch. My favorite shark fact is probably the fact that most sharks and rays have little organs under their nose called the ampullae of Lorenzini, and these little organs can detect faint changes in electromagnetic charge and pick up very fine scent. So it's almost a sixth sense that sharks have of detecting their prey. So for me that's an amazing fact. Ideas on how we can better protect sharks would be certainly the resident species that stay in the same place. I think marine protected areas are one of our best options for very resident species. But for more mobile species, I think we've got to look at fisheries regulations that are in place to try and protect them. But the fact that in South Africa a lot of the sharks and rays that are caught are not kept, they're actually caught for fun and released. I think there's a lot of work that we can do at improving how we handle these animals when we catch them, keeping them in the water, using barbless hooks, and ensuring that they're released quickly back into the environment where they came from will do a lot to improve the survival rate of fish that are caught and released. So I think that's really important.